Hello viewers, welcome to Shiksharthi, and today's our topic is calendars part 2. And today we are going to see what are the other types of questions will be asked in calendars. You all know this basic stuff, right? Sunday represents 0, Monday represents 1, Tuesday represents 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5 and Saturday 6. And non-leap year will have one odd day, leap year will have two odd days, and every 100 years, together 100 years, first 100 years or every 100 years will have 5 odd days, that is extra days. 200 years will have 3 odd days, 300 years will have 1 odd day, and every 400 year will have 0 odd days. Centurion years like 100, 200, 300 are not leap years, whereas any centurion year which is divisible by 400 is a leap year. This all things we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, so let us now have one more practice on this question. What was the day of the week on 17th June 1998? We already discussed one similar kind of a question in the last video. Okay, so let us have one more practice on this. 1998, 17th of given date 17th of June 1998, and as I can see the 1998 year is not finished by this day. Okay, so what is finished? I should say 1997 is finished, and then I should take 1998 year. 1997, first I'll search for 400 years. So 1600 is a multiple of 400, I'll split, and then another 300 years, 1600 plus 300 total 1900, and another 97 years we have here. 1600, since it is a multiple of 400, you know the 400 years, every 400 years it is 0, 0. So 1600 year will have 0 odd days, every 300 will have 1 odd day, and this 97. All the 97 years cannot be leap years, right? Or cannot be non-leap years. So we will see 96, 24 leap years are there, and 97 minus 24 is 73 non-leap years are there in this. So I need to always understand how many leap years and how many non-leap years will fall, because a non-leap year will have 1 odd day and leap year will have 2 odd days. So I'll multiply this with 1, I'll multiply this with 2, and overall I'll get a sum. So here 0 plus 1 plus 73 into 1 is 73 plus 48. And whatever the total I'll get, I should always divide that total by 7, because these are the reminders of 7. If you remember the last video, it was clearly discussed, right? So what I do, my friend, instead of adding and then dividing, I'll divide it straight away here. I'll divide this by 7, the remainder is 3. I'm interested only in reminders. I'll divide this by 7, and we all know 42 will be exactly divisible by 7. So here I get a remainder of 6. So ultimately you can see I got 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6. Again 6 plus 1 is 7, and finally I am left with 3 as odd days till 1997, the end of 1997. And if you see what is that means, the last day of year 1997, that is 31st December 1997, ended with 3. So we did calculation up to the end of 1997. It ended with 3 implies it was Wednesday. So 31st December 1997 was a Wednesday. Now coming to the calculation on 1998, we'll have here a January, February, March, April, May, June, and we are talking up to the month June, right? So January will have now 31 days. Since it's a non-leap year, this will have 28 days, this will have 31 days, this will have 30 days, this will have 31 days, and June I am targeting 17th, so I'll take 17 over here. I should take a total and then divide by 7. Rather, I'll divide by 7 here, I'll get a remainder 3. This is remainder 0, this will give you a remainder 3, this will give you a remainder 2, this will give you a remainder 3, and finally this will give you a remainder 3. 14 is exactly divisible. Now further what I can do, my friend, I can add all these. What is the total I am getting? 3, 3, 3, 3, 12, 12 and 2, 14. And 14 is exactly divisible by 7, and I get a remainder here as 0. So you see here the carry forward number I got 3, and this year I got the number as 0. So 0 plus 3 ended with 3. So that means it was a Wednesday The 28 is Wednesday. So that is what the calculation is all about. Okay. So let us have another type of question here. Here in this question, what I see, he gave one date as a reference, like this date is given as a reference, and is saying that this date, 18th of October 1967, was Wednesday. Then is asking us with the reference of that day, 21st of October 1991 or 1971 was which weekly day. Now I'll take a things like this: 18th of October 1967, 1968, 1969, 1970. I'm looking for 1971. So this is the one. Now please observe, from this date to 18th of October 1968. Please observe, 1968 is a leap year. So this day to this day, there will be two odd days because leap year. You can see between these two dates, please understand the statement what I am taking here. Between these two dates, you will get February with 29 days. That means it's a leap year falling between these two dates. So you can understand 2 I should add. And then here I'll add 1, here I'll add 1, and here I'll add 1. That means 18th of October 1971 will have this. I got the total up to 18th October of 1991. Whereas I want 21st of October. That means another 3 days, 19, 20 and 21. So here it will be adding 1 day, 1 day and 1 day. This is the total. Now please understand, the reference date is already given as what? Wednesday. And according to our previous slide, you see Wednesday means what? 3. So Wednesday means 3. So with the reference, I am already running with 3. Now 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So from here to here, I am getting 11 including these 3. So please understand, he gave a Wednesday. I should start my count from 3 onwards. Already it is 3, and then further I should add all these numbers. So 11 when I divide by 7, what I get? Remainder 4. So when I divide by 7, remainder is 4. That means according to the previous table, this have to be Thursday. So the question, 21st of October 1971 must be a Thursday. So that is final answer for you. Thursday is the answer. Okay, so these kind of questions can be possible, reference dates. Now similarly, one more question, reference date, again the same question almost. So 15th of August 1947 was Friday. That means you can understand it is already running with 5. So 1948, 1949, 1950 and 1951 is what I need to take. Now here, if I take 15th of August, please understand this year to this year, it's a leap year. So 2 will be added over here, 2. And then it's a non-leap year, 1. And it's again non-leap year 1, and it's again a non-leap year 1 will be added. But this is up to 15th of August only, whereas I need to take 15th of October. Fair? Now 15th September if I take, please understand, August will have 31 days. So August to September, 1 month, completely 1 month, and August is running and August will end with 31 days. So here I should take 31 days between these two dates. Then 15th of October, please understand, end month of September will be there. September will have 30 days. So this will have 30 days here between these two dates. So my question is up to 15th of October 1951, and this will have 3 and this will have 2 odd days. Now we all know we should add all these and get the final answer. Friday, because of Friday he said reference 5, and then leap year 2, non-leap year 1, non-leap year 1, non-leap year 1, and extra days whatever he said. Based on that I got all this calculation. 5 plus 2 is how much, friends? 7. So 7 is out. I should remove that 7. This is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 when I divide by 7, remainder is going to be 1, and 1 means what? Monday. So with the reference date given, 15th October 1951 have to be a Monday. Okay. So let us take another type of question here. Again a similar start. 15th August 1947 was Friday. 100 days from then was. I mean, if you start anything on 15th August 1947, from there, 100th day will be what? So what is the method here, you see? Given reference 15th August 1947, it's given as Friday. That means it is already 05. We know the Friday means always 05. And then 100 days from there. Add 100 days. So this is already 5 days plus another 100 days. Total 105 days we should take it here. I'm sorry. It's total 105 days. And we know as soon as it crosses 7, I should divide it by 7. So when I divide it by 7, my remainder, if you understand, the day 105 itself is a multiple of 7. So my remainder will be what? 0. So if this is a Friday, if the given reference date is a Friday, then from there the 100 days is giving you 0 as a reminder. 0 means what, friends? Sunday. So from there 100 days it was Sunday. So such questions can be there. 700 days, or it could be some other days also. Like for example, I take one more example. If today is Wednesday, so Wednesday means 03, we all know. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is 3. From there 61 days is said. So I'll add 61 here. It will be total 64 days is what I get. So 3 days already because of Wednesday is given as a reference. And from there another 61 days will be total 64 days. When divided by 7, the remainder would be equal to 1. 63 is exactly divisible. Remainder is 1. 1 means you can consider this as Monday. 1 or Monday is the final answer. Fair? So these are one type of questions. If you observe from the second question onwards, reference day is given along with the weekly day, and then we need to find out some other day based on that. Okay. Now take on this here. On what dates of April 2001 did Wednesday fall? You know, April will have 30 days and there will be at least 4 Wednesdays will come in that, correct? So 4 Wednesdays. So we need to check in April 2001 when and which date we got a Wednesday. So let us take up to the start of April, friends, up to the start of April. So how do we do this? So I'll take like the day of 1st of April 2001. If I can know on 1st of April 2001 which exactly day has come, based on that I can get the further dates. So let us do this, all of you. 2000 year is finished and then we enter 2001. 2000 is a multiple of 400, so 0 odd days will come. So that means the end of the year 2000 ended with Sunday. So till the end of 2000 we finished. Because it's a multiple of 400, straight away I got 0 here. And now I enter January here, February here, March and April 1st. Okay, January will have 31 days. February, since it's a non-leap year, it will have 28 days. March will have 31. So now I'll divide by 7. Here I get 3 after that. Here I get 0. Here I get 3. And here I'll be left with 1. And 3 plus 1 is ultimately 0 I get. Because it is total 7. I should divide it by 7. The remainder finally is 0. So here carry forward number is 0. Here it is 0. That means the 1st of April started with Sunday. The 1st of April. Here, according to the given things, the 1st of April 2001 was Sunday. Now what I do, my friends? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is what we have. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. The first Wednesday falls on 4th. And then plus 7 concept here. Plus 7. So what is 4 plus 7, friends? 11, then 18, then 25. And then further if I add 7, 32. And we know 32 days will not be there for any month. So on which dates the Wednesday was there in the month, in the year 2001? In the month of what? April was the question. In April 2001, Wednesdays falls on 4th, 11th, 18th and 25th. These were the 4 days on which we find Wednesday. So that is an idea here. Okay. Now let's see the another type of question in calendars. The question is, which year after 2004 will have the same calendar as 2004? Friends, 2 things to remember. 1, 2004's similar calendar you want. That means 2004 is a leap year. You want a similar calendar means the year which I am looking at also have to be a leap year. That is 1. Second, similar calendar means what? if 2004 started with Monday, I want a calendar which again starts with Monday with leap year. So this is what the question is, and when I'll get that. 2004, okay, and then 2005, 2006, 7, 8, 9 and so on, it goes like that. Okay, so now 2004 to 2005, imagine January 1st 2004 to January 1st 2005. Now January 1st 2004 to January 1st 2005, February will have 29 days, so I'll add 2 here, and then between these two dates 1, between these two dates 1 and then 2. You all know that after every 4th year there will be 2 odd days, right? So here now get the total here. This is 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 5 and 7. Now this gives me a total of 7. But I wanted a 7 as total because the cycle will be after 7. The similar calendar will start when you get a multiple of 7. But here it is ending with 2009. 2009 is a non-leap year. So I will not find a similar calendar as 2004. So I should continue doing this. 2010, friends, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let us take. Now 2009 to 10 will have 1, will have 1, will have 1 here, and will have 2, will have 1 and will have 1 here. Now get the total here. This is going to be how much? This is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So I got a total of 7, but ending with non-leap year. So I should continue doing this. 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now 2015 to 16, 15 to 16 it will be again 1 and then 2, then 1, then 1, then 1 and then 2 here. And get the total please. The total is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 8 is not I am looking for, I am looking for 7. Right? So this will be 1, 23 will be 1, 24 will be 1 and 25 will be a 2. So let us get the total now here. This is 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 8 plus 5 is something like 13, I got it. 13 is not I am looking at. Then 2016 I'll start. 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, I'm sorry, I am looking for continuation of this, right? So I'm extremely sorry. The continuation of this would be 2026, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and so on, it goes like that. Now 26, 25 to 26 will be a 1, then 1, then 1 and then 2. So let's get me the total here. Up to this it was 7, which I don't want to have. And then 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, up to here it is 8, and then 8 plus 5, up to here it is 13, I am not looking for 13, 13 plus 1, 14, but 14 ends with a non-leap year, so I should not again consider this. So here this is 4, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 2. So let us add this now. This is up to here, please understand, it is 7 multiple which is not ending with a leap year. So I should not consider, I should consider only when it is ending with leap year. So then again count 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 sorry, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7 and this 7 is ending with a leap year. That means a similar calendar of 2004 will be 2032. Now see, both are leap years and the total ended with a multiple of 7. So I should take this till the total ended with a multiple of 7. And similar kind of a question for non-leap year also we have 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, my friends. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on, it goes like that. Okay. Now 2001 to 2002 non-leap year and 2003 to 2004 start of 2004 non-leap year and then 2 and then it is 1, 1, 1 and then it is 1 and then it is 2, you get it. Okay, I'm sorry, here it will be 2. Okay, so it will be 1, 1, 1 and then it is 2, 1 and 1, 1 and then 3 ones 2. Then it is 1, 1, 1 and then it is 2. then it is 1, and so on it goes like that. Now get the total up to 7. 1 plus here up to 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2 is equals to how much? 7. So you can say 7, I got it here. 2001 to 2002, then 3, then 4. Here it is up to 111. Okay. And then we got it as 2, and then this is a non-leap year, friends. So till I get the total as 7, I should continue this, and whichever ends with a non-leap year, that should be the answer for this. So similar kind of a question, whereas I want you to remember leap year to leap year, there will be a gap of 28 years. I mean, if you observe this total here, 2004 to 2032, there is a gap of 28 years. So if it is a leap year to similar calendar of leap year, there will be a gap of 28 years. So for these kind of questions, the shortcut is add 28. 2004 plus 28 is 2032. In that way, you can make a note of this point. Okay. I'll take one more quick question, all of you. I'll just give you an idea. The last day of a centurion year cannot be. That means we all know the days can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday it can be. So which of these days cannot be the last day of centurion years? Centurion years means the one which is 100, 200, 300, 400. Am I right? So centurion years cannot be. 100 have a last, how many days, odd days? 5. 200 will have 3. 300 will have 1. And 400 will have 0. Correct? So centurion years will always end with odd number 5, odd days 5, odd days 3, odd days 1, odd days 0. So 5 means what? Friday, this will be a Wednesday, this will be a Monday, and this will be a Sunday. That means your centurion years always ends with Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Sunday. So it cannot be a Tuesday, it cannot be a Thursday, and it cannot be a Saturday. Even this could be one possible question for you. Okay. So keep on practicing on calendars. You'll find a lot of basic questions. Majority of the questions will be to find the weekly day of a particular day. Okay. So like this topic we can practice. So practice all. Thank you.